There's a reason why Italians love this dish. It's briny, simple, and full of deep, savory flavor. I'm currently 31 weeks pregnant, and I've been making this often. Clams are a natural source of heme iron, and this recipe is as nourishing as it is delicious. Let's make the classic clam pasta. Start by soaking your clams in cold salted water. Let them release any sand, and change the water a couple of times. In a large pan, heat olive oil over low to medium heat. Add 1 garlic clove and the parsley stem. Let the oil slowly take on all that aroma. Once the clams are clean, rinse them well and add them to the pan. Pour in a splash of white wine and cover. Let them steam until they all open up. While that's going, bring a big pot of salted water to a boil and cook your linguine. To make eating easier later, I like to remove the shells from about half of the clams. Remove the garlic and the parsley stem. Add a ladle of pasta water and toss the linguine directly into the sauce. Shake the pan back and forth, letting the linguine soak up all that briny flavor. Finish with chopped parsley and serve immediately. This dish is light, but packed with flavor, and the clams add a deep, savory note that makes it feel extra satisfying. If you love simple food that still tastes luxurious, give this one a try. And if you want more recipes like this, feel free to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.